A fully loaded cargo plane of Russia's Air Bridge Cargo Airlines took off recently from the Xinjiang International Airport in Zhengzhou, central China's Hainan province. It brought the airport's annual cargo throughput to over 700,000 tons for the first time. With the record, the airport now ranks the sixth among more than 230 airports in China, and has been listed among the world's top 40 cargo airports for 2 consecutive years.
Разрешите от имени посольства Российской Федерации в Китайской Народной Республике приветствовать руководство и сотрудников международного аэропорта Синьчжэн, города Чжэнчжоу, и поздравить с достижением очередного исторического рубежа в развитии вашего предприятия.
新引进6家航空公司，然后开通了9条新的国际航线，网络的覆盖性更加完善。
The airport has now reached 17 of the top 20 aviation hubs across the world, with 48 all-cargo routes connecting 42 cities in 29 countries and regions. International cargo volume at the airport has been growing fast due to its geographical advantage, strategic layout and convenient customs clearance process.
郑州机场海关实行7乘24小时的通关作业机制，通关作业不停歇，保障进出口货物可以随到随验，及时通关。